This time, the southwest monsoon has fallen short of expectations across Karnataka, resulting in significant rainfall deficits in several districts and taluks. As a result, farmers are increasingly worried, and drought like conditions are beginning to emerge. So, which taluks in Karnataka have recorded the highest rainfall deficit? Is your taluk on this list? If yes, what is its rank? In this video, we bring you the complete details, so make sure you watch till the end. Hospete. Hospete Taluk in Vijayanagara district received only 3.4 centimeter of rainfall from June to the end of the July. This is 81% below normal, making it the most drought affected taluk in the state. Sandur. Sandur Taluk in Ballari district recorded only 4 centimeter of rainfall during the same period, which is 80% of below normal. Gangavati. Gangavati Taluk in Koppala district received 4 centimeter of rainfall, which is 73% below normal. Rattihalli. Rattihalli Taluk in the Haveri district recorded 8.3 centimeter of rainfall, which is 68% below normal. T. Narsipura. T. Narsipura Taluk in the Mysore district received 4.6 centimeter of rainfall, which is 66% below normal. Tumkuru. Tumkuru Taluk recorded 6.7 centimeters of rainfall, which is 68% below normal. Mulabagilu. Mulabagilu Taluk in Kolar district received 5.1 centimeter of rainfall, 65% below normal. ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ. ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ Taluk in Chamarajanagar district recorded 4.6 centimeters of rainfall, also 65% below normal. Sarguru. Sarguru Taluk in Mysuru district received 9.7 centimeters of rainfall, which is 64% below normal. Arakalagudu. Arakalagudu Taluk in Hassan district received 10% of rainfall between June 1 and the end of July, which is 64% below normal. Hagari Bommanahalli, Vijayanagara district 6 centimeters, 63% below normal. Gubbi, Tumkuru district 6.2 centimeters, 62% below normal. Harapanahalli, Vijayanagara district 7.5 centimeters, 61% below normal. Hole Narsipura, Hassan district 6.8 centimeters, 60% below normal. Huvinadagali, Vijayanagara district 6 centimeters, 59% below normal. Yelanduru, Chamarajanagar district 5.2 centimeters, 59% below normal. Humnabad. Humnabad Taluk in Bidar district recorded 12 centimeters of rainfall, which is 58% below normal. Other taluks with major rainfall deficits include Honnali, Bhadravati, KR Nagara, Magadi, Nyamti, Chennagiri, Nanjanagudu, Turuvekere, Bengaluru North, Mysuru, Hunasoor, Hangal, Virajpete, Piriyapatana, Srirangapatna, Kampli, Sindhanuru, Haliyal, Haveri, Arkere, Mandya, Hassan, Gundlupete, Basavakalyana, Puttur, Chincholi, Hubballi City, Gajendragada, Srinivasapura, Nelamangala, Ajjampura, Kudligi, Hosadurga, Hirekeru, Sorba, Yadgiri, Chikkanayakanhalli, HD Kote, KGF, Saunur and Koppala with rainfall deficits ranging from 45% to 58% below normal. These are the major taluks in Karnataka that have recorded the highest rainfall deficits this monsoon. Is your taluk on this list? If yes, what is its rank? How is the rainfall situation in your area? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please like it and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to Matina Munsuchine yet, subscribe now and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news on Karnataka, politics, agriculture, government schemes, weather and breaking news. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye friends.